All right, so today we're going to use area and perimeter of rectangles where the lengths of the sides are little tiny baby polynomials, okay? So we're going to find area and perimeter, and I have the two formulas up here in case you've forgotten them. So to find area, you just multiply length and width. And to find perimeter, you can either just add all four sides together, or you can do 2 times the length and 2 times the width and then add those together. Either way, it works out to the same thing. Okay? And this is just exactly what we've been doing. It's just we're applying it a little bit differently. So let's look at this rectangle right here. So this guy right here, we're going to start by finding the area. Okay? So to find area, you multiply length times width. So here's our length, here's our width. Okay, so that's what I need to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 3x times x minus 5. And in order to do that, we're going to draw an expansion box, right? So I need my rectangle. So one side I can fit the 3x on, and the other side I can fit the x minus 5. And then I'm just going to multiply to fill each box. So that's 3x squared. These guys multiply to negative 15x. And that's it, that's my answer. So I'm just gonna write this up here that this equals 3x squared minus 15x. That's the area of my rectangle. Easy peasy. All right, now the second part of this question asks me to find the perimeter. All right, and the perimeter is the sum of all the sides, okay? So area is like if you had a room and you wanted to put down a carpet, that's what area does, it covers the whole thing. Perimeter is like if you wanted to build a fence around your yard, okay? It just goes around the outside edge. So to do this, we can do one of two things. We can either add together all four sides, right? Where I know that if this side is 3x, so is this side. And if this side is x minus 5, so is this side. Okay, so option one is I can add all the sides together. So 3x plus x minus 5 plus another 3x plus another x minus 5, right? Or we can just say we're doing 2 times 3x plus 2 times x minus 5, right? Because there's two sides of 3x and two sides of x minus 5. Okay, either way, you're going to get the same answer. So this guy, if I add these together, I'm just combining like terms, right? So I've got 3x plus one more x, so that's 4x, plus 3 more, so that's 7x, and then one more would be 8x's. And then for my regular numbers, I've got a negative 5 and another negative 5. That's negative 10. Okay, if I do this one, I'm going to have to start by multiplying these. So that's going to be 6x. And then over here, when I do my distributive property, I'm going to get plus 2x and then minus 10. And when I combine my two like terms, 6x plus 2x is 8x. I get 8x minus 10, just like we did here. Okay, so you can do it either way. You will get the same answer, and it doesn't make a difference. Okay, so let's try that again with this problem. So same deal, we're going to find area and perimeter. So let's start with area. Okay, and area, I'm going to multiply x minus 4 times 2x plus 1. Length times width. I'm going to draw my expansion box. I need 2 spots on each side. Here's my x minus 4. Here's my 2x plus 1. And it doesn't matter which side you write these on. Okay, so if you had written 2x plus 1 times x minus 4, so your 2x plus 1 was over here, and the x minus 4 was here, it doesn't matter at all. You'll still get the same answer. All right, and then we're going to multiply each box. So x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 1 is 1x, or just x. 2x times negative 4 is a negative 8x. And negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Okay, these guys are like terms, so I'm going to combine those together. So my answer is going to be 2x squared, negative 8x plus 1x, 8 fires, 1 bucket of water, that's 7 fires left. So negative 7x, and then the negative 4. And that's it, that's my answer. All right, and now let's do perimeter. So perimeter, okay, again, we're adding up all the outside edges. So we have two options for doing this. Option one is I can do x minus 4 plus 2x plus 1, right? And then this side over here, that's x minus 4 as well. So I'd add that on. And this side up here has to be the same as the one on the bottom. So that's 2x plus 1. So plus 2x plus 1. And when I add all of that together, I'm going to combine my like terms. So x plus 2x is 3x, plus another x is 4x, and then 2 more, 6x. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7. And negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. Be really careful when you're doing those ones. Make sure you add and subtract correctly. So you can do it that way, or your other option is just do 2 times each side. So we have 2 sides that are x minus 4 long, plus 2 sides that are 2x plus 1 long. Okay, I'm going to do my distributive property. So that's going to give me 2x minus 8. And this side's going to give me 4x plus 2. And then combine like terms, 2x plus 4x is 6x, negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. So again, we got the same answer either way. You can do it either way and it doesn't make a difference, okay? It's totally up to you. And that's it, finding area and perimeter of rectangles, nothing too fancy.